Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Crusader Kings 3 tutorial. First, launch the game and select the tutorial option from the main menu. This guided experience introduces you to the game's fundamental concepts, like managing your character and their family. It's designed to be a gentle introduction, so don't worry about making perfect choices. Just follow the on-screen prompts and enjoy learning the basics of medieval dynasty building. As you progress, pay close attention to your character's 5 lifestyle trees. These determine your strengths and weaknesses, impacting your gameplay significantly. Remember, Crusader Kings 3 is about your dynasty, not just one ruler. Plan marriages for strong alliances and to produce suitable heirs. Your family members are key to expanding your power and ensuring your legacy endures through generations. The tutorial will also introduce you to managing your domain and interacting with your vassals. Keep an eye on your gold income and develop your counties to boost your economy. Your council members are vital for various tasks, from improving relations to collecting taxes. When you're ready, the game will guide you through declaring your first war, explaining the steps to expand your territory and influence. Once you complete the tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation for playing Crusader Kings 3. Don't hesitate to start a new game with a different character to explore various playstyles. The game has a steep learning curve, so embrace experimentation and learn from your decisions. The in-game encyclopedia is an excellent resource for deeper understanding of mechanics and terms. Have fun building your grand medieval dynasty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.